You have plan settings. Here you can select the plan. You can click on change plan if you want to upgrade your plan. You have organization settings, in which you can enter the organization name, profile picture, business email, business phone, description, tax information, and your billing address. In Workspace, you can manage the profile picture, name, and description for your workspace. Coming on member management, you can manage all the members that you want in your organization, assign roles to them. To add a member, you can click on invite member, and for what particular role you want to add them for. With the use of particular roles page, you can first configure the roles and then go to member page to invite the users according to those roles. So if I select a sales role and add their email address, and click on send invitation, and invitation will be sent to them to add your particular workspace, and they will be listed here. When the invites will be pending, they will be here. When the member is actually added, then you can see that particular member in the member list. For the existing users, you can click on manage access to manage their roles, and with this three button you can also remove the particular member. And coming on roles page, you can here create the particular roles, the admin role, the sales role, and you can create custom roles, such as I want a manager to be in my particular workspace. Then I add the manager role. I can select the hierarchical level, the color, and the description, and now I can have granular control over every permission. Let is read access, write access, edit access, any of those particular, such as I want to give campaign access only, I don't want to give delete permission, so I'm not giving the delete. And I want them to manage the campaign, that can create, edit, and launch marketing campaigns. So if I just click on save changes, the permission of manager will be created, who can only create and manage and access the campaigns but can't delete them. So this is how it works, and you can configure different roles for your particular use case. And then by going into the members page, you can click on invite and invite people for that particular role, and filter member by their role. Then you can create teams. These teams will be used in live chat. So suppose you have a business in which you want to categorize agents based on their departments. So you can use this team feature, and on these particular teams you can assign tickets or particular conversations, and those tickets will be assigned in two ways. That can be a round robin method, or it can be a load balancing method between all these agents. You can also define their role, give a team name, its description, and add team members and remove team members. And if you want ticket assignment to be turned off, you can click turn off to turn off the ticket assignment. In the tags page, you can create tags. There are two types of tag. One is for the live chat and one is for the lead. So you can add the name, description, select the color, and create it for lead and live chat. So the live chat tags are created for the session tag in the live chat, and the lead tag is basically the customer tag. Then you have the routing setting. Routing settings means the particular phone number or particular account connected is connected to which particular workflow or live chat. Then we have live chat configuration. Live chat have two modes, shared mode and ticketing mode. In shared modes, you can have collaborative responses. In ticketing mode, you can have structured assignment and tracking of particular tickets that has been created. And if you want to have business hour routing, suppose your team is not available after the business hours, but also if you want to handle the messages even after the team is not there, you can add this business hour routing, through which you can assign leads to particular team or particular agent. And if you want the users to send messages even after out of the business hours, then you can have this toggle option on. And if you want customers to get a message that we are out of hours and we will contact you next day, you can turn this off. Just add this out of hours message that live chat is currently not supported as we are unavailable and outside business hours, please check back later. And this agent unavailable message is sent when a user connects and there is no live chat agent that is available to accept the ticket. So this is the live chat setting. Next we have the shift manager. Using the shift manager, you can configure the shifts, such as on Monday you have from 00 to suppose 15:59 you have the admin team, and after that the admin team goes home and you want to have another business development team that will hand over all the queries that are coming from 15:59 to 17. So all the leads will be shifted to this particular team on this during this time, and then on the next day during this particular duration the admin team will handle the leads. So you can create your own teams and assign them according to time, and you can click on copy to all. Then on all the weekdays this configuration will be copied. You can select your time zone from here. To configure holidays, you can just click on add a date, add the name of the holiday, and if someone messages you on this particular holiday date, this particular message with the holiday name and the date will be sent to that particular user that we are closed for so and so days for this particular holiday. Or if you want to have custom timings, such as you want to have a 2-3 hours gap in your working hours, then you can have this custom timing for the holidays as well. You can create and save these canned responses to reply to customers with one click. You can click on add a response, and you will have to add a response name, and if you want to create a shortcut for it, so you can use this on the live chat. Just enter /hi and you will have the particular response name popped up. Then you can select it and just send it to the particular user. So this is the particular message content. I click this and click on save. So now the quick response is saved. Let us just refresh the live chat, and you can just click on / and you can just add a / and here you go, you have the canned response. You can just send this particular message in one click with the help of canned responses. Then coming on to attributes, suppose if you want to save and label the GSTIN as an attribute in your customer section, then you can add a label that says GSTIN, and you can select the type to be number, text, date, yes and no. You can select a text option and click on save. So now you will have these attributes in the customer page and live chat as well, from where you can save this data and filter the data according to the labels. These API keys and webhooks are used for development purposes, that can be used for integrating Eternity chat or any other software with Eternity chat.